I've been unpacking what freedom means for half my life. Back then I thought it meant never punching a clock, which is why I dove headfirst into modeling and blogging. Drifting and wandering became my daily bread. Out in nature, I stopped looking for an endpoint. Lying on grass under the sun, feeling the plants stretch and grow. Wait a minute, nature isn't just the scenery around us. It's like our personal life coach teaching us how to vibe with ourselves. Now I finally get it. Real freedom is carving out time to just be. Life doesn't want us to fold ourselves into a neat little package. It's here to watch us twirl freely.